Sheila just threw some nice green small logs on the fire. It's getting down to embers. Should be pretty fun watching those things go up. Fire's awesome.
Except when it melts your socks.
Real talk. Oh, dude.
Is that just waterproof or is that fireproof too?
The wax jacket?
No, the GoPro thing.
Oh yeah, I've had the GoPro like right next to the fire before.
Nice.
Yeah, they had some guy that put it in a pizza oven somehow.
What?
Don't ask me how he did it. All right, now throw the other bit on there, bro.
You want me to throw the rest on?
You think? It'll be pretty intense, huh? Go! Dude. All right, watch the tent. I'll just make sure.
Yeah, no worries.
I mean, have to go pretty far, but still.
There are ashes on it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, this is what we'll do.
All right, that'll keep it down a little bit. Inferno! Early night, maybe like 7:30 at night.
Yeah, what's the earliest we've gone to bed so far? 7:45?
What night was that, the cold night?
I think we still made it to 8 somehow. No, last night we were in bed by 7:45.
No, dude, we weren't. We split the difference last night.
Oh, that's right. It was like 8:30.
Yeah, so the cold night it was 7:45. The night before that it was 10. And last night it was like 8:30, 8:45. We split the difference.
It's because we had bourbon the first 2 nights. We had alcohol, so we sat by the campfire, but then it ran out very, very quickly.
2 flasks, not enough for these guys.
Yes, 8-ounce and 6-ounce flasks are not sufficient.
That's burning pretty good, dude.
Yeah.
All right, that's all.